that she is my best friend. More than best friend, I think we're just sisters. I think, yeah. I think you develop a bond because you're at the end, you're carrying. Some injuries happen, you're there for each other.
It's a very pure bond, and it's more like, you know, how sisters have a bond. It's very similar, where you get a mix of everything. You get musty, you get we both pulling each other's legs, troubling each other, but we both are also there for each other when we need it the most. And she's like kind of taken care of me like an elder sister. बहुत भाव दिया उसको यार अभी. And that's when Smriti walked in. And I don't know, I think she would have figured me. She walked in, she didn't say anything because she know one word she would say. She would just say क्या हो तो क्या हुआ Jimmy, and I would start crying.
What Jenny was going through, I mean, in terms of emotionally as well. So just for me to see her finish the match the way she did, and I don't know, it just whole lot of emotions with everything came together, and I just like ran.
Smriti during the net session stayed back. She knows her presence is important for me, but she just knows that her presence is important for me because she just knows that her presence is important for me.
To anybody in the team? Yeah. Have to be Jenny, I think, yeah. Even if I am, like, she's not mine, I am hers. So I have to be hers. So yeah, Jenny.
My first friend I made in the Indian team was actually Smriti. Then Smriti would be to Smriti was like, she had an iPad here. Also, I did speak to Smriti.
And she's like coming and saying, "Hi Smriti," and hugging, and I was like, what is, I don't even know.
Today we have with us the sweetheart of the nation, an amazing timer of the ball, and a very friendly and humble human being. Okay, apart from me, we have Smriti Mandhana. Best friend Smriti, she's weird, so kabhi I compromise. Smriti Mandhana, मेरी best friend है.
Who absolutely loves you and all. So कौन होगी?
Jenny.
For me, my go-to person would be Smriti. I remember Smriti was calling me after every 15 minutes to check if I got in the right flight. So she's not an angel. She's worse than me. Smriti had come to Yorkshire where I was staying. So she had come to meet me for an hour, and then we were supposed to go for dinner with all our friends, the England friends. Smriti came, she's talking and talking. I am not saying a word. I am sitting quietly over there just looking and just Because I knew if I end up speaking, I would start crying. I would move my one like, where is it? sister से पैसे कौन लेता है?
सही बात है.
Like मैं लेती हूँ, क्यों नहीं?
छोटी बहन से कौन है?
देखो ना.
God.
Smriti doesn't scold, so Smriti will give you the silent treatment, which is worse. That is worse. But she stayed back the entire 4 hours just because she knows that her being around matters to me. And Smriti knew if she would ask me what happened, Jemmy, I would end up crying. So, hello everyone, it's the Wrong Sisters back. Today we have with us the sweetheart of the nation, an amazing timer of the ball, and a very friendly and humble human being. Okay, apart from me, we have Smriti Mandhana. Smriti has been like the proper elder sister to me, where, you know, we do have a bond we share. And I think that we don't even know when that happened or when was that moment. It just happened along. And I thank cricket for that, actually. If it was not cricket, maybe I wouldn't have like such a beautiful relationship with Smriti. But I think more than anything, it has helped me when things don't go your way. Because firstly, you're away from home, you know. It can get lonely out there, but just to have someone you can trust and someone who knows, who genuinely cares about you doing well, and not just about you doing well, but you firstly as a human. I think that gives a lot of comfort to me. And a lot of times I've just gone and ranted it all out to her, or at times, you know, she keeps making fun, but I've like cried on her left shoulder and stuff. So I think somewhere we all need that one person who can be there for us. And I think I'm blessed that I have that with Smriti. And at the same time, even Smriti has helped me a lot in my cricketing journey. In a lot of things, you know, a lot of things she understands as a batter that another batter can face. She has helped me out. She has helped me get through tough situations. So I think it's just a nice bond we share, and I'm so glad we share that. And especially when things don't go your way, and it just feels like there is already so much criticism, so many things against you. But just to have that person you can always fall back on and trust that, okay, whatever they're going to say are going to be for you.
अब दूर तुझसे जाना नहीं जो तू मेरा हम
Smriti, if anyone has to give me my debut cap, it better be you. So full pressure I put, and you know, I didn't tell anyone. I told Smriti that she make sure she gives me the debut cap, and full pressure I put. I want one long emotional speech.